Adding solar to a roofing job can be a big benefit to your business, but may seem like a tall order. Whether it's the initial design and technology decisions, getting the right permits, installing the technology itself, or inspections and electricians, including solar in your business might feel daunting without a partner. At GAF Energy, we've simplified the process for you with a product and package of services designed to allow you to sell and install solar while you continue to focus primarily on what you know best: selling and installing new roofs. With GAF Energy, you can take advantage of the popularity of rooftop solar without having to become a solar specialist. We'll take care of the hard part for you while you increase your income with solar. The GAF Energy solar system comes with solar modules, an easy direct-to-deck mounting system, and best-in-class power electronics. We create solar designs tailored to your customers' roofs and produce a proposal with system size, expected solar production, and homeowner economics, ensuring a smooth sales process. GAF Energy will take care of design and permitting and provide a project coordinator to help with communications between your customer and the local permitting jurisdiction if you utilize our services package. And you can rely on our network of licensed and experienced electricians to complete electrical hookups to bring solar installation to completion. In partnering with GAF Energy, you could roughly double revenue on a roofing job while also generating additional profit on roof and solar sales. And you'll get all of this backed by the largest roofing manufacturer in North America, including an industry-leading warranty. So reach out to us today and learn how you can join our network of certified installers. And let's grow your business together.